Man, I'm done with my old car. It's breaking down every other week, and these dealerships keep turning me down.
You should have gone to Crown Auto Group. They got me approved the same day, even with my credit.
Stop playing. For real?
Dead serious. If you got a job, they'll work with you. Bad credit, no credit, it doesn't matter. Plus, the cars are solid. Mine was fully inspected and ready to roll.
So I could pull up today and actually drive off?
Keys in your hand, no hassle. Cars, trucks, SUVs, they've got it all. And the prices, way better than the other lots.
Bet. I'm headed to Crown Auto Group. I need that peace of mind.
Don't wait. Go today before the one you want is gone. Or get pre-approved online right now at buyatcrown.com.